is rolling, 18 grand. AVs driving across the land. Musk is calling for OpenAI's stake. Auction the future, for goodness sake. Metas in trouble, books they took. AI's learning from a pirate's hook. Ubisoft delaying Assassin's Creed. Shadows will wait, a gamer's need. Lula's concern, fact-checking's gone. Meta's decision, a brand new dawn. Wiz is rising, IPO in sight. Cybersecurity shining bright. Blockchain's booming, $1 billion deal. DAMAC and MANTRA